Here is a Nissan Murano. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now the process is the exact same for the left and right side. I'm just going to show you on the right side. First thing we have to do is get this black cover off. So get 2 fingers up and 2 fingers on the bottom and then just pull it out the way I'm showing. Pull it out gradually at an angle and then the cover is just going to come right out. Now we need to get a 10mm socket ratchet combination and make sure it's a deep long socket like this one because we have to take those 2 bolts off. So go ahead and take those 2 bolts off and keep them somewhere safe. Pull the light outwards. Just put your hand there and pull it out the way I'm showing. There's 2 clips in the back there and you just need to be pulled out like this. The light pops out. Let's give it one more pull and there it is. Now these are the 2 pins I'm talking about. 1 and 2, they go right over there. That's the bulb holder for this rear side marker bulb. Just grab it and twist it left a little bit and that's it. Now it's loose. Now you can just get the bulb holder and pull it out and it should come right out. That's the bulb right there. Just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb but it'll come right out. The bulb size is right there on it. W5W or 168 or 194 or T10. It's all the same. Just get the new bulb, align it over there, push it in to secure it. And now let's put the bulb holder back in the light. And when you do so, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. Now to make it easier for you, there's a small marking on it. Let's zoom in over here. That small marking on the bulb holder should align with the mark on the light. When it aligns, the bulb holder just drops in and then just twist it right to lock it in place, and that is good. Now let's put the light back into the body. Just align those 2 pins with the holes over there first. And once it's in position like this, then we just have to push the light in. So give it a push and it's gonna pop in. Yep, that is good. Now let's just go ahead and get those 2 bolts in place. Hand tighten them first and then tighten them down with the socket ratchet combination. Make sure they're tightened properly and check that the light is not moving. Now let's just get that black cover, get it in position like this, and just be patient over here. It's easy, but just follow along the way I'm showing, and it may take a few seconds for you to actually get it in position. You just have to get it in position like this and then push it to clip it. Yeah, it goes in there. Make sure it's sitting behind the rubber flap. Push it, it's clicked in place. This is what it should look like once it's in place. And that is pretty much it.